happened to you?
If you speak again, I will slap you again and again!
Look, Mama is not around!
Have you slapped her? Yes, Mama, I did. But I am not okay with what I slapped her.
Do it again!
How dare you!
I'm sorry! Mama,
How dare you! Mama, just do that for me. How dare you!
Mama, because
How dare you fight back at me? How dare you fight back at me? How dare you fight back at me?
Oh, what is keeping her? Eh? I know she must be doing some harsh chores. I need to see her before going to check my trap this morning. Her beautiful face makes me get animal in the morning. Oh, I can't wait to take her out from that house where she suffers. Iroma don't know how much I love and cherish her. Kai, what is keeping her? How are you?
I am fine. I guess you must be waiting for your lover this morning.
Your guess is right. You don't know what makes me feel the way she do.
I see. But I don't think you're loving her with your clear eyes.
What do you mean by that, Omiko?
Did you not hear that she has a bad spirit that kills men once they get married to her? Or did you not ask what killed her mother and her father? Or didn't you hear that she's seen a man from Uzi?
Speak no more. Why do you speak ill of her?
I can only tell you the truth. My father told me this.
What do I believe? That she's seen another man from Uzi, or that I will die if I marry her?
Believe both. See, the man from Uzi has promised to take her to a place where she'll be cured. So she has agreed to marry him, but she will not tell you this.
What? I need to find out about this.
And you will ask her, right? And she will tell you yes or no.
She cannot deny it. She loves me. Both of us love each other. She cannot hide it from me.
She has been hiding it from you and she will still hide it. See, I don't know why the men of this land cannot use their head. But you think I just come out here this morning to lie to you?
Omiko, if this is a lie, I will not have peace with you.
And if it is true, will you marry me? Or what will you do to appreciate me?
It will never be true. Even if it is, I owe you nothing. Now get out.
You owe me a plate of a meal on your burial day. The day she will eventually take your life. But then if you lose your life, then I will spend the night at your hut that night. You owe me a warm-up body talk.
I can see you are crazy. Now get out of here.
Of course I will get out. Look at you. Look at someone I'm even trying to help his life. You're here talking to me anyhow because of a woman that will take your life soon. Fool. What? Overripe pawpaw.
I need to see her. I need to find out about this. This can't be true.
Raise up your hand!
Ne, what have I done this morning?
You mad? You do not speak when my mother is speaking. Else I will waste your tongue this morning. I think this girl is making me to kill her. I think it's better you die and join your late mother in the grave.
Nebiko, whatever I've done to you, please forgive me. It's not better I leave this house than suffering this way in my own father's house.
You've not started suffering. This is just the beginning. Don't mind her. By the time we are done with you, your late evil mother will come from grave to come and carry you. Raise your hand properly. Raise your hand. Evil girl. Don't look at me like that.
Mama.
Mama what? You don't know your mother again.
Ne, please, let my tears melt your heart. Please, free me from this suffering, Biko.
Suffering? That's what I just began. You think that you are too beautiful to humiliate my daughter in this land. The ghosts of our land have put you in my path to finish you.
No. If leaving this house to make you happy, let me leave.
Leave? Or still leave? Think I don't know. Want to go to that foolish boy that you're in love with? There's no problem. I'm going to report him to the gods of the land. Then he will come and tell them why you want to put you in a family way.
How do I look?
Mwah. Achalugo. Omali chamo. Oyoyo. It seems they're going out.
Yes, Mama. I'm going to see Omiko. We have an unfinished business.
Wow. Go well, my daughter. Before you come back, your food will be ready.
No, Mama.
Someone.
Omalicha Nemo. Mama, don't worry. I'm coming.
Don't worry. I will finish up with her.
Mama, because no.
Don't go anywhere. Wait for me. I'm coming.
Mama.
Omali-chan. Achalug.
You can call me that again. I remain the most beautiful girl in this land of Ibuza.
Of course, you're right. Now, guess what? Guess what?
Did you tell him?
Yes, now I did, and he's in the state of confusion right now.
Good! Good. Where did you see him?
Yeah, along the road over there while I was coming.
This is really good. Goodness. Come here!
Stop now. What happened? Why is she running?
She was under my mother's punishment just now.
Just leave her now. Let her. Where do you think she can run in this village? Just leave her. You will still meet her at home. Let her run. It's okay. Relax. Relax.
So this girl run out, eh? She will come back and meet me in this house. Hey! Me! She want to try me.
My lord.
Sorry. I was suffering at home.
I knew it. I knew they've started again this morning. I'm sorry.
Let's make it very fast. Let's go to our usual place.
Okay, come.
Good. You have done well. Let's just let him think while we move on with the plan B, which is meeting Oja.
Do you think it's still necessary?
Yes, it is. He's going to finish the work. I cannot live and watch Iroma get married to Ngene. Every night in my dream, all I see is his beautiful face. I can't live without him in my arms. I will do whatever it takes to get Iroma out of the way.
Okay then, let's go. Let's go and meet Oja.
Yes, let's go. He is my late father's friend, so he will do anything I want him to do.
Let's go. Let's just go there.
Can you come fast and marry me? Let's end all these troubles. I'm tired of staying in that house before they kill me.
They will not. I want to ask you something. Please don't lie to me.
Obi, have I ever lied to you?
No.
So what is it?
Two things. One, do you have any evil spirit that is capable of killing me if I marry you?
Obi, where did you get all this from?
Is it true?
It's not. Okay, tell me. Since I came into your life, have you had any troubles? Or any bad omen? Even in your dreams?
No, not. Okay. Second one.
Okay.
Are you seeing any man from Uzi?
Obi, me.
Tell me.
Me, Iroma, seeing a man. Obi, what time and chance do I get to go and see a man if not you? Come on now.
I believe you. And I believe my heart too.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me, where did you get all this information from?
My sister. Don't worry. I know it's all lies.
You know you're the only one I know in this land. If not you, Obi, who will I be? Who will I be with? But please, don't leave me.
I will not.
Are you sure?
I love you.
Love you too.
I love you.
Stop there! What brings you to my shrine?
Greetings, great one. It's me, Anyoma, the daughter to your best friend, Uwalaka.
The daughter of my great friend?
Yes, with me right here is my best friend, Omiko. Greetings, wise one.
Okay.
Wise one, my life is in danger. And you are the only one that can help me. Please do something for the sake of your friendship with my late father. Please.
Okay, sit down.
No, wait. I'm tired. No. Every day of my life, I thank the gods for bringing you to me.
I thank the same gods for making you to love me. No other maiden make my heart move the way you do.
You're my future. My heart beats for you. Promise me you will not leave me.
I'd rather die protecting the love we share, no matter what it may cost me.
And you are the only man, only man that can have my body, my love.
And you are also the only woman that my heart, my body, and my soul belong to. I'd rather die than to allow another woman to have me.
You shall die.
You shall die. Nne, how did you get here?
Do I look like an old woman to you? You left what I asked you to do and ran. You think I will not find you? Ekwa? Eh?
No, please. Okay, it's enough.
Ndene, I will make sure the ghost of the land kills you if you don't leave this girl alone. Oh yeah?
No, I'll follow you.
Let's go. I don't visit you here. Let's go. I try to visit now.
No, I'll follow you.
What? Why do you want to do this?
Great one, I know you can do this. Please help me. For the sake of my father, your late friend. You know he was a good man when he was alive to you. Please help me.
Ayoma, what you are asking is very risky. It's very risky and it's against the gods of our land. And it can lead to my death.
Great one, see, I don't care. I can do whatever it takes for me to just get Ngene, great one. Please, I heard that you lost your wife. And I know that the night will be so cold for you. I am here to give you what no maiden can give you in this land.
Meaning?
Omiko, please, can you wait for me outside?
Why not?
I hope you know what you are doing.
Yes, this is to show you that I am serious, great one. I will give you what no maiden in this land can give a man of an age like you. Just look at me. Can't you see how fresh?
See. It's too hard for me to accept, but that's no problem. You know, here is my shrine. We cannot do it here.
Yes, you know, good food are meant to be eaten. when they are hot. So, let's go to the bush. My body is dropping. Let's go. Come on.
Ngene, I will cut you with this. Aren't you ashamed?
Ashamed of what? Did I do anything bad by deciding to marry her?
Marry who? Inside bush. I will shout, oh. I will shout and gather all the men in this land, oh. You took a small girl like this inside bush to defy her.
This is not fair.
Huh? So, you two see grown-up girls like my daughter Anyoma? Eh?
She's not appealing to me.
If you follow me again, you see what I will do to you. Oh yeah? Mama, you will injure me, oh. What until you get her?
Oh. What will I do now? If I follow her, she will accuse me of trying to spoil her. She will injure my life. Oh, what do I do?
I can now believe that a man only looks old as he thinks. It is only a woman who looks old as she looks.
Ayoma, you are indeed fresh. What have you made me do?
I have made you do the right thing. I know how long you have been waiting to get something like this. But do not worry. As long as you walk with me and make me marry Ngene, I shall feed you for long.
For the sake of my friendship with your father, I will make it work. I will see you tomorrow morning.
I shall go and wait for your command. Tell me you're happy.
Indeed. I didn't see it coming.
I don't miss when I shoot. See you later.
Child! Okay, one more. I'm fine. Hey!
Hands up, man. So you have the guts to leave this house? I'm going to cut off your hand.
Mama, please don't kill me.
So that you understand that nobody will ask questions.
Mama, please don't kill me.
I will call this time and nobody will do anything or ask questions.
No. I cannot allow you to do this.
Ngene, you. So you have to go to come back to this house again. Ngene, I will shout, oh.
Shout!
I will shout, oh.
Call the villagers, let them come.
Huh?
Yes, call them.
Oh yeah. Come and fight me.
I and Iroma love each other. I did not do anything bad.
Obim.
Leave my compound, or you should be saying goat. Leave my compound, though.
Obim, please go. She will not hurt me.
Are you sure?
Go if you know you love me. She will not kill me, please.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Please go.
Go now. Should be saying goat. Go.
Obim, please go. Please go. I'm sorry. Let's go.
I'm coming. If you like, run again.
I'm not wrong.
Run. There's no hidden place for you this minute.
No.
Like, run.
I'm here. I will not go anywhere. I'm here. Oh.
No maiden in this land has such great power that you possess.
I told you, whatever I want, I get it no matter what it takes.
You mean you had it with him?
I am ready to do it over and over again. I'm not ready to leave Ngene for anyone. By tomorrow, Iroma will be gone to the shrine to be with the gods. And with what that man is carrying on his waist, he won't hesitate to make her a mother. Then, let me see if Ngene will still want her back.
Are you sure Ngene will agree to this?
Does he have a choice? Does he? No! If he tries anything, he will die. Their life journey will begin tomorrow. And my happiness will also begin tomorrow.
Anyway, I'm very happy for you.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
But the thing is, I'll have to go back home from here. I need to eat something. I'm very hungry.
You're always hungry. Just go. We'll see later.
I'll come around now.
No problem. Thank you.
When I'm done with you, you know that I'm doing more than I gave birth to you.
Ne, please don't do this to me, please.
Don't call me!
Nebiko.
You will be here until evil spirit, tonight, when this evil spirits come, they will not decide on what to do with you.
Ne, please tell me what you want me to do. I will do it. Anything.
Are you ready to leave your woman alone?
Ne, I cannot leave him. I love him. And he loves me too. He's the only man that gives me joy in this whole world.
Oh! So I give you pen, Sabi.
No, I did not mean it that way. I did not mean it that way. Ne. I did not mean it that way. Because I did not mean it. Ne, because
You will die, so I have to stop seeing him.
Ne, because he's spending me.
He's spending you.
Ngene, my love, I greet you.
Anyoma,
My love.
I beg you in the name of the gods. Please talk to your mother. Let her leave my love alone. What have she done?
She has done a lot. A lot! Ngene, I love you so much. I don't know why you chose her over me. I love you.
Can you stop this? Don't say this anymore to me.
Why? Ngene, why? Why do you choose her over me? I love you. All you just need to do is love me back for peace to reign.
You are joking, right? Talk to your mother. If not for what I'm waiting for, I would have asked her hand in marriage before the 8 market days.
Ngene, haven't you heard about the maiden you want to get married to? Haven't you? What did you see in her that I don't have? Am I not handful enough? All you just need to do is come marry me. Let me tell you, my mother will help you with everything you need. You don't need to worry yourself. Please, Obim.
Not in my life. I don't want to marry you. I don't have feelings for you. I don't want to marry you. Leave me alone.
And there will be no peace in your life. Haven't you heard that I belong to you? The maiden you are in love with belongs to the spirit and not you. If you fail to listen to me, you will die.
It's all lies. Talk to your mother.
Do not worry. Soon, the work of Oja will start showing. Full.
Ne, please come and untie me before I die here. Ne. Ne, come and untie me because you know. Ne, please come and untie me if I die here.
Finally, lover girl, you are where you deserve to be. Listen, let me tell you. If after tomorrow you still have a life left in you, you will have no other choice than to live again and run.
I will not die. I will not run. And I will not die. I will not live in Gene. What is your problem?
Even under punishment, you still have the mind to challenge me. Have you lost your respect? You've forgotten that I am your elder sister.
I respect you. I cannot die for you to have peace.
You will! Igene is that man after my heart. How he started loving you is something I cannot explain. But listen, It is either you leave him or you die!
I will not live in Ghana. I will not live in Ghana. I said this because of Nne. Left for me, I will stand and fight you. I'm not your problem, Anyoma.
How dare you! How dare you talk back at me? Have you lost it? Have you?
Mama.
Nne, she challenged me.
Help me slap her.
I don't think this movie is tight enough. I don't think.
Don't worry. She will remain here till night. Until she plays otherwise. No food for you.
Please, I will play along. I cannot live in Ghana. He's the only man that gives me peace in this world.
I am so angry.
Wait. You will do it, but not now. Come with me. Come and have your meal so that you have strength. Right?
I will be back for you.
Come with me. Come. Come.
Come! Get it from there, you stinking maggot!
Anyoma, what have I done to you this early?
So you had the mind to untie yourself?
No, I did not.
What is it, Anyoma?
Can you believe this dirty, smelling orphan untied herself? What?
You untied the rope I tied on you.
I don't know how this
So it has gotten to this.
No, believe me, I did not.
You shut up! How dare you disobey my mother after killing you off with your evil spirit?
Believe me, I did not do it.
I will show you that I'm the one filling in this house.
I did not do it. I did not cut
Say that again. I'm just still talking.
I did not cut the rope. I did not cut it. I did not cut it.
You did.
I will tell you. I did not cut. Believe me, I did not cut.
Oh. What do I do now? Huh? If I go to that house now, that woman will start misbehaving. How is my love doing? How do I see my love? She's supposed to fetch some water this morning, but I can't see her. Huh? What do I do now? Eyes of the gods, good morning.
A dead fly goes to the grave with the corpse. Ngene, son of Ibabu, you are about to die.
What? Eyes of the gods, what have I done?
You failed to ask Yachi about your destiny. Why do you want to join your ancestors at this age?
Wise one, you know I don't have parents anymore. I don't know any knowledge of what I may have failed. Please help me. This is why you're the custodian of culture and tradition. Help me, please.
Because you are busy eating the food made for the gods.
Me? Food made by the gods? I don't know about that.
Iroma is the food for the gods. Stay away from her.
You mean Iroma, my love? Or is there no Iroma?
The day of your burial, which is nearby, you will understand what I'm talking about. You have today and tomorrow to live. If you don't want to be away from her, be warned. I will not warn you again.
What? Wait, oh. Is this what Omiko was trying to tell me? Uroma belongs to the gods? No. Maybe she don't know about this. She can't lie to me. Hey, gods of our land. This is not fair. Uroma is my love. Huh? Oh.
You will die here today. Next time you will learn not to disobey my mother.
Anyoma,
Mama,
I need you to go and get pepper for me. Let me sight it in her body. Okay, so you know the level of
it. Mama, I did not do it. I did not do it. I did not know how the rope cut off from my hand. You made me to sleep here yesterday night. I accepted. What offense have I committed again?
will you shut up? You don't talk while my mother is talking because you don't have a mother. And you don't even know how it feels to have a mother.
Who among these, Uroma?
the eyes of the gods. Greetings. You're welcome to our home.
Welcome, eyes of the gods. The man that speaks to the gods. The man that sees tomorrow. Well, welcome to our little house.
Eyes of the gods.
Ah! Speak no more. Gods can see. So you are the Uroma?
Yes, I am.
It is true. You don't have parents. But people living around you should have let you know where you belong and where your destiny belongs. You would have been dead person by now, if not by the mercy of the gods.
Thank you, eyes of the gods. What do I need to know?
Shut up! You don't talk while he is talking. Just listen.
Ask no more. Because if you do, you will die. You have been busy following a man called Ngene. Let me warn you. No man shall touch you, or you will not visit any man. Because if you do, the man will die immediately. Because you belong to the gods. You have a place in the heart of the gods.
What?
Yes, you belong to the gods.
What?
From your birth. You don't know why you're still alive. Because you belong to the gods of this land. The gods have chosen you to serve them, along with me. From now goes on, if you visit any man, the man will die immediately. They have kept you alive because you are not aware of what's to come. Tomorrow morning, I will be here to take you to my shrine for appeasement. From now goes on, no one should touch her or lay a finger on her again. Because if you do, that person will die. The gods have spoken.
Anyoma, is that how she escaped my anger?
We don't have any choice. We have to obey what he just said. Me, I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Uroma, thank your God. Thank your chief. Just go inside and pack your clothes.
Who will not be running around for me now? Huh?
No, don't worry. What is coming will make you happy. Eh? Go inside and pack your clothes. Make it fast. Don't keep them waiting.
David, did not tell me this one. No. David, did not tell me this one. What will I do now? Now you did not tell me this one. Now you did not tell me this one. Never.
See who is here. Can see someone smiling.
You can say that again. You know, Omiko, whenever I tell you something, do not doubt me.
Of course, I don't doubt you.
Good.
Tell me, has it happened?
As planned. He just left the house just now. As we speak, the child of the God is at home, crying her eyes out.
It should be!
Soon, She'll be on her way to the shrine.
That sounds alright.
Now tell me, who in this village will I fight over Ngene with?
No one, of course. Nobody. So, like, soon Ngene will not be yours.
Ngene is mine already.
Okay.
He is mine. Soon I'll be going to see him. Tell me you'll be coming with me.
You asking me? What else is my work in this village if not to follow you to anywhere you want me to go to? Eh? My future queen of Ngene.
Thank you. Omiko, you're such a good friend.
You can't say that again.
And I appreciate you a lot.
Thank you.
My mother don't know about this whole plan. But soon I will be telling her when the right time comes.
Okay.
So you know how we planned it?
Of course I know.
You go to Ngene while I go to Oja to tell him thank you.
Of course I will go. Anywhere you want me to go to in this village. My future queen. Of course I will go now. I'm always with you.
Good. So,
we're going to his house.
Okay. Go.
Right now. We will see, eh?
Alright.
So among all the maidens in this land, huh? Why you Roma? What will I do now? I cannot fight the gods. I can't say no. Huh? How can I be without my love? Huh? How can I be without my love? What do I do now? And I don't want to die. Huh? What will I do? Oh my God.
Ngene, here you are.
Omiko, what is it?
Ojamma, the chief priest, has just declared Iroma the child of the gods.
I saw him and he told me about it.
See, I'm just coming from the house now. She has been declared the child of the gods. Ngene, this is not a small thing. No? He even said she's to be initiated first thing tomorrow morning.
But this is not fair now. Eh? This is not nice.
But I told you, didn't I? I told you, though I didn't get the information correctly. But my father told me. See, Ngene, you have to stay away from her. Else you would die.
I know. But this is hard for me. Eh? Why me? There are other maidens, numerous maidens in this land. Someone like you can be used.
I don't understand someone like me. What do you mean by that? Anyways, the gods doesn't want me. It is your lover that they want. So, cry no more. There's still hope for you. And your mind is still there for you.
Not when I'm alive. But I don't like her.
But Ojamma said she's the one for you. Though he said he will come for that one later.
The gods rather take me. I don't like her. I don't want her. I don't have feelings for her.
Are you working out for me?
She's supposed to be here by now. Eh? We're supposed to meet here as we agreed. And your mother girl, she has made me to offend the gods of our land. Huh? Anyway, I know what to do to appease the gods of our land.
Great man. The only true eyes of the gods. I greet you.
Ayoma, the beautiful one. I have done what you said.
Indeed. She has no option.
No, she don't have. Because if she refuses, I will kill her.
Thank you. Now come here.
Hey!
You know I keep to my words.
Yeah.
But we have one thing left.
I know. Him?
Yes.
Yes. I have met him. And I will still visit him again.
Okay.
But this time, I want you to be there so that I can put fear in him.
So you want fresh me to go home with you?
Hey, that's why I'm here waiting. But I want to let you know that coming to the shrine all the time is not good. Please, let me do fast and go back to my shrine.
This man, you like good things. I know you can't wait for her to come here so you can have her all to yourself.
I cannot hesitate to. But for now, at least let me eat this one so that when she comes tomorrow, I will continue with her.
Okay, no problem. So how do you want it? How do you want it?
Huh? The back.
From the back?
Back. Let's go. Back, sweetie now.
My love, what am I hearing?
I'm finished. The gods have taken me. I just came to let you know.
Why you? Huh? Why me? Why us?
Is it not better I leave the family?
No, don't say this again. Huh? What happened to me? What happens to the love we share?
They said they cannot lay a finger on me. Can't you see? It's to my own favor.
No, it's to your own detriment. Eh? How can you serve the gods? Eh? Why you? There are numerous maidens in this land that have no job. Huh? Why you?
Obi, we cannot question the gods. What do we do? I do not want them to kill you or me.
The chief priest met me. He said that I'll be eating the food meant for the gods, that I will die.
Obi, I do not want them to kill you. One day all this suffering will end. I do not want them to kill you or I. My stepmother and sister have been beating me since yesterday. They even went as far as tying me up to a tree till today.
What?
Can't you see it's my own favor? Can't you see? I will use this against them. I will make them suffer. Yet, they cannot lay a finger on me. I have my plans.
That is not my problem. Huh? Who do I marry now? Who do I be with?
Beam. Oh, Beam. That I will serve the gods does not mean I cannot see you. Don't worry, I have my plans. Come with me.
No. Let's go and see the chief priest. Let's go and beg him. Maybe he might listen to us. Huh? Please come. Come. Oh, my love. Oh. Oh. Come.
Gods of my ancestors, your servant is back. Who is that?
Eyes of the gods, it's me, Ingene, and the Iroma. We have come to plead with you. Please help us.
Ingene, why do you want to join your ancestors at this your useful age? Because you don't want to listen.
Please, eyes of the gods, don't kill him, please. Don't kill him, please. We are only here to see if we can plead with you. To save us. To save us.
Both of you are not meant to be together. What? Yes. He is meant to be with your stepsister, Ayoma, not to you.
What?
Yes. Both of them are meant to be together. You are meant to be with me in this shrine to serve the gods of this land. As both of you don't want to hear, as you want to die, then see what will happen.
No. Eyes of the gods, please don't kill us. Please.
Please don't kill him.
Please don't kill us.
Please. Don't kill him.
I will do anything the gods want me to do. Please.
I'm ready.
Please.
I'm ready to serve the gods.
Please.
Then go and prepare for tomorrow. Go!
Anyama mebe nganga kwasiligyo. Anyama mebe nganga kwasiligyo. Anyama mebe nganga kwasiligyo. Anyama mebe nganga. How have you been now? Nne mama. Afomuru odogun nwanyi. My sweet mother. Nne, do not worry. Your daughter is now on top of every matter.
I'm so worried and angry at the same time. Why should the gods choose that pig to serve them?
Of course that is what she can do, Mama. What else can she do? That is what she can do.
She will use it against me in future.
By that time, you married to Ngene.
Nne, your guess is right. I will be getting married to Ngene. And guess what? She would not be able to hurt you or harm me. Because I did the whole plan with Uja, the chief priest.
What?
Nne, hope she's not around. She's not.
How did you do it?
Nne, I went to meet him and he came to do what I begged him to do. I'm actually coming from his place. I went to thank him.
That's my daughter. Hey! Like daughter, like mother.
No.
Come and hug me.
Did well. Thank you, Nne.
All thanks to Ujao.
All thanks to him. Nne, by tomorrow, Iroma will be gone. I know Ngene cannot wait to see me. So I'll be going to meet him later in the day. So we can plan on how I'll be going to his house.
That's my daughter.
No.
Come and see that I have your meal.
Nne, did you cook anything?
Enough for you. Come and have it.
No, Mama.
Watch.
This is very unfair that the gods of the land could do this to me. Iroma, my love, has done nothing to deserve this. There are other maidens in this land. Why her?
Ngene, my darling husband. Have you seen what I've been trying to tell you?
I'm not your love and shall never be. Leave here now before I get angry.
No, I will not live here. Here is the place the gods has destined me to be as your wife. I don't know why you are finding it so difficult to accept. Do you want to die?
I will accept the gods to take Iroma, but not to have you as my wife.
So you choose to die?
The gods of the land will not let me die because I have done nothing wrong. You are not the one meant for me.
You now challenge the gods. Oh, wise one, you are here. Greetings.
Greetings, wise one.
The gods have heard all you said. I can see you want to die. I will help you do that now.
No. Eyes of the gods, please. Do not let his foolishness make you take him away from me. Just calm down. One day he will come to thank you for making me his lovely wife.
Don't kill me.
Be warned. Be warned. Do not allow me to disappear before you, or else you run mad. Leave now! I cannot disappear again.
Why? Kefeme?
I don't know, I'm shocked.
Yeah. Eyes of the gods. Thank you so much, thank you. But right now, you need to mop piano also. Yes, you need to mop piano also.
I will see you tomorrow.
Ngene, my husband. Ngene.
Ogrigo gada ona. Ogrigo gada ona. Ay! Ogrigo gada ona. Ogrigo gada ona. Take this. Do not talk, whether good or bad. Take this pot. Yes. Today you be with the God, with all you have. Honor and mighty. Move.
Move. Move.
Ogrigo gata ona. Ogrigo gata ona. Move. Agrigo gacha ona. 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 Agrigo gacha ona.
My daughter,
No, not yet. I am yet to conquer Ngene.
Then we do not have to wait. You have to move in with him immediately. Because after what you did with him yesterday, he's all yours already.
My daughter is right. Omiko, please, you will escort her to her husband's house.
I will do that.
the gods have done it for you.
No. Let's go inside and start making preparations.
It's today. Gods of our land, please, don't do this to an innocent orphan like me. I've been loyal to the gods all my life. Why do I deserve this? Huh? Please don't do this to me.
Ngene, my sweet husband, I am here. I know you have not performed my marital rites, but it's fine. By the time I start living with you, you see the need to do so.
Exactly. Ngene, how are you? Don't tell me you are still not happy after what happened here last night with my friend.
I was not committed to that.
But it happened. It did. What if I tell you that you'll soon be having a child with me?
Gods of our land have been unfair to me. Let them finish what they have started. What can an orphan like me do? I will abide. Go in and relax. When I'm ready, I will come and do the needful, like you said.
You were such a gentle, loyal husband. Omiko, just go home. I will see you later so we can celebrate.
No problem, get yourself. What is it?
What is going on? What is going on? Hey! Gods of our land, don't flog me, oh! I'm innocent, oh! Hey!
Good girl. I know you are no longer a virgin. That useless boy has finished the food that meant for the gods.
No, he has not. I'm still a virgin. Besides, I'm not yet married to him. So I see no reason why I should do that with him. Wise one, can we go to the house now?
Good maiden. Let's go. Hey! Hey!
Wise one,
Hey! Hey!
heads of the gods. Are you okay? Help! Wise one, what? Wise one, wise one.
What is it? I don't know. Help me, I don't know. I don't know what
I don't know what's happening. I will leave.
Mama, help me! Mama, help me! Mama,
Mama, oh, what is it? Oh,
Hi. Mama, help me. Help me, Mama.
Help you.
I'm dying. Help me. Ah!
Hi.
Ah!
My love. Huh? What happened? You didn't go again?
The chief priest. All of a sudden he started screaming and he fell on the floor.
What? See, Anyoma and Omiko came to my hut this morning for her to live as my wife.
When was that?
All of a sudden, she started screaming.
Eh? When was that?
Just now! I'm still surprised.
Listen, Ghana, please, I am sorry.
Omiko!
My body is on fire, please. Omiko, what happened? Please. It was Anyoma. You know me, I'm not a bad person. It was Anyoma. I want the chief priest, they planned it. To make it look like she was meant to serve the gods and you were meant to marry Anyoma, please.
We must see this.
Please. Are you sure about this? I am very, very sure. Just go to your house now. You will see Anyoma and her mother.
We must see this.
Let's go.
Anyoma, this is what I told you.
Mama!
This is what they put us into.
Mama, I am sorry. I am so sorry. I was so jealous of Iroma. I love Ngene so much. And I don't want any other maiden to get married to him in this land. So I had to sleep with the chief priest.
What?
That was why he came to me.
Hey! You did what? Hey! He was the one that got me pregnant. Oh! He's your father. Oh!
Mama.
Hey!
Mama, what did you say? What did you say, Mama?
You didn't know. Hey! My husband and I planned it when I was unable to have children. Hey!
Mama, what did you do?
You know he's your father's best friend.
Mama.
Hi!
Mama, you killed me. Mama, what have you done to me?
He's your father.
Mama, what did you just say? Mama.
Hello.
Mama. Mama, what did you say? What did you say, Mama?
Mama, please forgive me, my daughter.
Forgive us, please.
Waste. I don't know what came over me.
So it's true.
I had to lie. Forgive me, Roma. I was so jealous of you that I had to go meet the chief priest. We planned this together. You were not supposed to serve in the shrine. Please forgive.
Please forgive me.
I was so jealous of you that I had to plan with the priest, the chief priest, so he can hurt you. You're not supposed to be in the shrine. Please forgive me.
So it's true.
I'm sorry.
Please
Please forgive me. It wasn't intentional.
Forgive us, my daughter, please.
Why?
Please.
Why do you both hate me so much?
Please forgive us, my daughter. Forgive us.
I didn't do it intentional again. Please help me.
This serves you right.
Please.
Sorry.
Both of you deserve to die.
I said to just forgive me so I can die in peace. Please, just forgive me.
If they die,
My
I
love.
don't have any family.
Let's go. Let's go.
Please.
Let's go.
Please. Please. Roma, please, Ngene. Find a place in your heart to forgive me.
I can't leave them.
Roma, remember I'm your sister. Just forgive
I'm
me.
your mother.
Please.
I'm your mother.
Please.
Please, my daughter. Please.
Ngene.
I'm your mother.